Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Canva on your phone and choosing the design that contains the photo you'll edit. Once done, tap the image so it's the active layer. This unlocks image editing tools. Make sure you're using the latest Canva app and that the image resolution is decent because Magic Eraser works best with clear edges. Next, tap Edit Image and scroll to find Magic Eraser. This is where you initiate the removal process and prepare to mark areas for deletion. You'll now work through the detailed removal steps. Select the brush or lasso mode depending on shape complexity, and pinch to zoom so you can work precisely along edges. Adjust brush size so you don't delete nearby details, smaller for fine hair or product edges, larger for background swatches. As you tap or drag over areas, Canva previews the removal. If you over-remove, use undo or the restore brush to paint back. Make gradual passes rather than one aggressive swipe for cleaner results. To finish, inspect the image at 100% zoom and use restore to recover small details or erase to remove remaining artifacts. Smoothing options help blend edges. Once satisfied, replace the background or add new elements to integrate the edit. Make sure to save or export as PNG if you want transparency. If things go wrong, try undoing steps, reduce brush size, or re-import the original image. If persistent artifacts appear, restart the app and retry on a fresh duplicate of the photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.